everyone, we're going to prove that cosine of 60 degrees equals 1 minus 2 sine squared of 30 degrees. And that also equals 2 cosine squared 30 degrees minus 1. So basically it's the transitive property. All of these should equal. And before we get started, let's just state what cosine and sine are going to equal. So cosine of 60 degrees equals 1/2. Sine of 30 degrees equals 1/2. And cosine of 30 degrees equals the square root of 3 divided by 2. So for the first part, we already have cosine of 60 is 1/2. So basically, we want the rest of these to equal 1/2 as well. So let's do this part here. So 1 minus 2 sine squared of 30 degrees. So we're going to write this as 1 minus 2. Now this part right here is the same as saying sine of 30 degrees squared. So sine of 30 degrees is 1/2. So you're just going to write 1/2 and then square it. So this gives you 1 minus 2 times 1/4, which equals 1 minus 2/4, which equals 1 minus 1/2, which equals 1/2. So now we have 1/2 equals 1/2, and now we have to do that one. So remember, cosine of 30 degrees is square root of 3 divided by 2. So we have 2, and remember we're going to write this cosine of 30 degrees squared. So that's going to be square root of 3 divided by 2 squared, then minus 1. So we have 2, you square the square of the square, square of the square root of 3 is just 3, and 2 squared is 4, minus 1. All right? So 2 goes into 4 2 times, so you have 3/2 minus 1. Well, if you have common denominator, this would be like 3/2 minus 2/2, because I can, you have to have the same denominator, and that gives you 1/2. So they all equal. We had 1/2, let's see if I can do this in red, 1/2 equals 1/2 equals 1/2. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.